Good morning students, myself V.T.BIOLOGY, PGT Biology from PG Senior Secondary School. I am here with my next topic for class 9th, that is muscular tissue. Before muscular tissue my topic was about epithelial tissue, and after epithelial tissue, connective tissue, and connective tissue, the third number is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is responsible for the movement in our body because due to contraction and relaxation, it cause movement in our body. It's mean that due to the contraction and relaxation of muscular tissue, we can able to move from one place to other place. We can fold our hands, we can move our neck, we can change our place. So muscular tissue is responsible for movement and for locomotion in case of animal body as well as in case of human being. So due to contraction and relaxation of muscular tissue, we are able to move from one place to other place. The muscular tissues are made up of group of cells, because we already know that the group of cells form tissue. So muscular tissue is formed by group of cells, and the group of cells means they are made up of thin and elongated cells known called as muscle fibers. Means the muscular tissue is made of thin and elongated cells, means the cells are very thin and elongated and called as muscle fibers. And the muscular tissue is responsible for movement in our body. So on the basis of function, structure and location, means on the basis of structure, on the basis of location and function, there are three types of muscular tissue. On the basis of location, structure and function, there are three types of muscular tissues, that is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is also known as voluntary or striated muscle, means the muscle which works according to our wish, means in under our control. So that is voluntary, means skeletal muscle is in under our control, so it is called voluntary, means work according to our wish. So skeletal muscle is called voluntary or striated muscle. Smooth muscle is called involuntary or unstriated muscle, means it is not in under our control, means the muscle which not work according to our will, that is involuntary muscle. So skeletal muscle works according to our will, while smooth muscle not in under control, means it not works according to our will. After that, the third number is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is present in our heart. It's mean that the muscles of heart is called cardiac muscle, and our heart is made up of cardiac muscle. So one by one we will discuss about skeletal, smooth and cardiac. Now the first number is skeletal muscles. So skeletal muscles surround our skeletal system, means skeletal system attached with bone with the help of a special type of connective tissue, that is tendon, because tendon helps in the attachment of skeletal muscle to bone. So it's mean that our skeletal muscle attached to bone with the help of tendon, because tendon is a type of connective tissue which is responsible for attachment of skeletal muscle with bone. Means our skeletal system covered with skeletal muscle, are the muscle which surround or cover our skeletal system are called skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle is responsible for the movement of our body from one place to other place, means due to pushing and pulling of skeletal muscle we are able to locomote, means move from one place to other place. So it is attached to bones by tendons, and it is responsible for body movements, means through the help of skeletal muscle we are able to move from one place to other place. Our skeletal muscle helps in the movement of body from one place to other place. It is made up of very long cylindrical and multinucleated cells, means the cells of skeletal muscles are very long, cylindrical means in cylindrical shape, and multinucleated. Multinucleated means more than one nucleus are present in the cells of skeletal muscle. So the cells of skeletal muscles are very long, cylindrical and multinucleated because the number of nucleus are more than one. So it is multinucleated due to the presence of large number of nuclei in the cells of skeletal muscle, and it is found in body wall, means the occurrence is very important, means where are skeletal muscle found. So it is commonly found in body wall, and in case of limbs or arms. After that in tongue, beginning of esophagus. Beginning of esophagus means after pharynx, the portion is the beginning of esophagus, that is food pipe, and through food pipe the food material conducted from mouth to the stomach. So it is commonly found in the body walls in case of limbs and in case of arms. So due to the presence of skeletal muscle in our arms, we can fold our arm easily without any problem, and we can fold our legs without any problem. So it is commonly found in the case of whole body wall. After that in case of limbs, in case of arms and tongue, so through tongue we can speak, and in the case of beginning of esophagus. Now the second number is smooth muscles, that is the involuntary muscle or unstated muscle. So smooth muscles are shorter than skeletal muscle, means the length of smooth muscle is shorter than skeletal muscle because skeletal muscle cover whole the skeletal system, and the smooth muscles are made up of collection of fusiform cells. It is made up of collection of fusiform cells, but their size is shorter than the skeletal muscle. One thing is there, each muscle fiber cell contain a single spindle shaped nucleus, means in the each muscle fiber cell, each cell contain a single nucleus, means it is uninucleated. Uninucleated means if a single nucleus is present, and multinucleated means if more than one nucleus is present, and the shape of nucleus is spindle shape. Spindle shape means like this. The central part is thick and the tips are very narrow, like this. This is spindle shape, means the nucleus is in spindle shape. In middle means the middle portion is thick and tips are narrow. After that the contraction process is very slow of smooth muscle, means in case of skeletal muscle, contraction and relaxation process are fast, and due to contraction and relaxation we are able to move from one place to other place. And in case of smooth muscle, their contraction process is very slow comparison than the skeletal muscle, and commonly found in the iris of the eye. After that in case of ureters, there are one pair of ureters are present in case of human being and responsible for conduction of urine from kidney to urinary bladder. And in the bronchi, bronchi is commonly present in our respiratory organs like lungs. So the smooth muscles commonly found, this is very important, where are the smooth muscles are found or present. So commonly in case of iris of the eye, after that in case of ureter, and in the bronchi of the lungs. The last type is cardiac muscle, the muscles of heart, because our heart is made up of cardiac muscle. This is also very important question. The heart is made up of which muscle? So our heart is made up of cardiac muscle, and it is also involuntary in nature because it is not in under our control, means not works according to our will, and the cardiac muscle show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life. It's mean that we know that our heart is a pumping organ because it pumps blood into the body parts and again receive blood from body parts. So on that time there are the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart, because if the heart receive blood, on that time relaxation phase is there, and if the heart pump blood into the body parts, so on that time contraction phase is there. So rhythmic contraction and relaxation occur in case of heart, because heart is like a pumping organ. When receive blood, so that stage is relaxation, and when pump the blood, that is contraction phase. So the muscle fiber, the cardiac muscle is responsible for rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life. Means cardiac muscle never tired throughout the life, and it is responsible for rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life. It is involuntary in nature like our smooth muscle, and commonly made up of elongated, branched, cylindrical and uninucleated cells. Means the cells of cardiac muscles are elongated, they are branched and cylindrical and uninucleated, means a single nucleus is present in the cells of cardiac muscle. So in case of muscular tissue there are three types, that is the skeletal muscle, after that smooth muscle, and last is the cardiac muscle. Now in next video we will discuss about nervous tissue, means about neuron. Now thanks.